Good morning, guys, or good afternoon even. It's 20 past 12. Hope you are all well and had a fabulous weekend. Just popping on a quick live stream to talk you through all of the latest Facebook updates as of 20th of August 2018. So if you have any questions, pop them in the live stream. So I'm just going to hop screens and talk you through them all. So, update number 1. So this has just been announced today, about an hour ago. So Facebook has acquired VidPresso for live videos. Facebook acquired the 7-person team and technology behind the social video company VidPresso. This company works with broadcasters and publishers to make their online videos much more interactive with on-screen social media polls, comments, graphics, and live broadcasting, which can be integrated with Facebook. And it says YouTube and Periscope, but I presume if Facebook have bought them, that'll go out of the window. So VidPresso states that it offers a simple way for creators, publishers, and broadcasters to use social media in live video at a high quality level. And joining Facebook will allow it to build tools for everyone to create interactive live video experiences. Now, I'm quite excited about this because this means you can be a lot more interactive on your live streams. You can ask your broadcasters questions on the screen. You can pop polls on your screen. Yeah, you can share your social media comments, I presume. Okay, so you can probably have the live stream conversation scrolling on the screen, I presume. Obviously, it's just been announced this morning, so it will be a while before this rolls into Facebook live streaming. But it does mean you can probably get rid of things like BeLive TV, OBS. Yeah, so if you want to be a bit more interactive, currently on live streams, you need to connect through a third-party tool. So personally, I cannot get my head around BeLive TV. I cannot get the audio to work for some reason if I select some screen sharing. Yeah, so I can't actually schedule anything or add any interactivity because the audio does not work for some reason with my laptop. So that is update number 1, which I'm very excited about it. So if you're excited about it, just say number 1 in the comments. Update number 2, I've just noticed this morning when I was messing about with OBS. So update number 2, Facebook are testing a new scheduled live stream layout. So this is going to be grabbing a screenshot of your Facebook page cover if you're running it to your Facebook page, yeah, and it's just going to shrink the image to fit on the screen. So as you can see, there's a little update on my laptop which says we are currently testing a new design of announcements posts. Some of your viewers will see this new design in their feed. So some people have it, some people don't. Okay, so that is update number 2. And update number 3, so this is quite new. So back in May, Facebook started testing ads to Facebook stories. So at the minute, you can run your ad campaigns on Instagram stories, but not Facebook ones. Okay, so they've been testing them in the United States, Mexico, and Brazil. So at this current time, the early ads consist of 5 to 15 second skippable videos and didn't have any calls to action or click-throughs. To me, that seems a little pointless, and I probably wouldn't use them. And a 5 to 15 second video, you'll have to be very clever with your video content to get any interaction within 15 seconds, yeah? So if you've got something to talk about, you're not going to get a lot of words out in 15 seconds, so I think boomerang style videos. So Facebook's made an announcement this week which says this is gradually rolling out to all accounts. Okay, so if you get a lot of interaction on your Facebook stories, might be worth giving them a test when they roll out. So that is all of your Facebook updates for the 20th of August. Oh my God, how is it the 20th of August already? So any questions, stick them in a live stream. And that is all. I'll see you next time. Bye.